Look, Hoodrich fam, at this point, I'm just trying to get rid of these goddamn hoodies. So when you purchase a hoodie, you will be receiving the Travel Hacking Off the Swipes ebook, the Shelf Corporation Age Corp Secrets ebook, all three for $39.99. Y'all tap in, link under the description for the website. What's good, Hoodrich fam, man? It's your boy Hoodrich Credit back again with another fucking banger, man. You feel me? Look, Hoodrich fam, today I'm going to be breaking down the institution that nobody is talking about. Today we're going to be breaking down Bank of the West, and I've received a couple of DMs of you guys saying, yo, break down Bank of the West, man. They have it in my, facility. They have it around my area, which I always tell y'all, research, these small institutions and these small banks around your area, because they will throw you that bag, and the offers that they have is insane. You know what I'm saying? So I've had a couple of you guys DM me, probably like 2 or 3 DMs of Bank of the West, say, break down Bank of the West, man. They got some good offers on their personal credit cards and their business credit cards. So we're going to get straight into it. I did write down some data points that I found out for y'all. I had to call up an institution. The institution I had to call up, get connected with a representative. And that's what you guys want to do every time you want to get connected with some data points, or watch YouTubers like me that break down the sauce. But in general, when you're trying to find some data points with institutions and you're not aware of, you don't really got to hit me up for the data points. Okay, you can just call them up, a representative. Sometimes you might receive a dumbass representative on the phone that doesn't know what they're talking about, if I'm being honest with you. But majority of the times they'll give you the main data points that you need to proceed with applications. Okay, so enough wasting y'all time, man. We're gonna get straight into it. Bank of the West, let's break down their personal credit cards first. Okay, y'all, let me see. Compare credit cards. Give me a second, man. Another thing that I want to tell y'all about Bank of the West is they're not gonna be available, nationwide. So it depends what area you in. I'm not very, how do I say it? I'm not very educated, or I don't remember what the lady told me when it came to the specific states that they are available in. So what you guys want to do is just call them up. Like I told y'all, just call them up and say, are you guys available in this state or the state that you are in, and try to do business with them or apply for personal credit cards. Okay, y'all. So something that I forgot to include, if you are trying to apply for these business credit cards with Bank of the West, all you got to do is file a foreign entity in the state that they are in, so you can have access to these business credit cards. I forgot to include that. Show y'all is the offer that they have: 0% introductory APR for the first 18 months on purchases and balance transfers. 18 months, man. Y'all could definitely bust some plays with that. I always tell y'all, on the personal side, well, with this platinum also it has 12 months, so y'all can bust a play with that as well. But 18 months is very much preferred. Okay, y'all, it gives y'all extra time to leverage. But this is personal credit cards. I always tell y'all you can bust some plays on the personal side of credit, but you guys got to understand that you're going to take a hit on the personal side of credit, because most likely you're going to utilize a good amount of that credit funding that you obtain with this institution, right? So what you guys want to do is, fuck it, just do it on the personal side, but make sure it has a 0% interest offer. In this case, you do have one for 18 months, so you could carry a balance and just pay up the minimum without paying interest on that balance. That's the key if you're investing with personal credit. But just know also too, when you try to personal guarantee for some other business credit cards that don't report to your personal credit, you're not going to get approved. You get what I'm saying? Because you're going to have high balances on other credit cards on the personal side. They're going to see that. Okay, y'all? So keep that in mind. So 18 months, that's very good. Most institutions have 12 months. They got one that has 12 months. So, and this was on balance transfers. Okay, y'all? This is on purchases and balance transfers. This is the one that you want to go for, the Cashback World MasterCard. I'm pretty sure they had a secured credit card as well, if I'm not mistaken. Give me a second. Secured credit card. There you go. Y'all can bust a play with the secured credit card as well for the people that trying to build credit right off the bat. If you're trying to get approved for some high limits, the thing is, you could choose a credit limit up to 12,000. Okay, y'all. So y'all can create y'all own line. If y'all got some money to play with and you could put up the maximum amount of funding on that secure swipe, now you have a 12K revolving credit card reported on your personal credit. You understand what I'm saying? If you let that bitch age, with a couple of months, 6 months plus, right? And also to add some installment loans and then add some authorized user trade lines, y'all could definitely get approved for some major. Okay, y'all, right off the bat. You just got to let it age because it's a recent account on your profile. But if you got money to play with, like I said, you could create your own revolving line. 12,000 right off the bat. Okay, y'all, so this is a major gem that y'all can go for. It has a $25 annual fee. Most You know, Secure Swipes has 0 annual fees, but that's not major if I'm being honest with y'all with creating your own line. So let me see the other data points that I wrote down. All right, let's go for the business products right now. I want to break down the business products. That's what we mainly focus on this channel. We always focus on the business credit cards. Those are the credit cards that you guys actually want to use. You know, that's what's preferred. Personal credit cards, you can invest with them, but it's not recommended, man. Give me a second. So I'm pretty sure they have only 2 business credit cards, man. They got the Bank of the West Business Rewards MasterCard and the Business MasterCard. Okay, y'all. So I'm pretty sure they had some offers. Okay, this one is for the first 9 months on purchases, and this one is for the first 12 months on both balance transfers and purchases. So this is the one that you definitely want to get into. I'm pretty sure this one's gonna have some rewards. All right, 60,000 reward points when you spend 5,000 or more in the first 90 days after opening an account. Okay, y'all. So I definitely recommend y'all to go for this one. Okay, y'all, because me, honestly, I don't really care. I always tell y'all on this channel, I don't care about reward systems like that. You know what I'm saying? I use my personal credit cards for reward systems, but when it comes to straight business credit cards, the way I look at them is straight investments. Okay, y'all, I don't care about the reward system, just straight investments. Okay, so the longer 0% interest on purchases and balance transfers I can get, that's the card that I want. Okay, y'all, so that's what I definitely recommend y'all to do. And what I forgot to tell y'all is for these credit card applications, they will be pulling your Experian credit report. So this is a play that you can bust on the Experian side. Okay, y'all, most institutions pull Experian, so if you want this card, you can definitely line it up with another credit card that pulls Experian. So this is a good credit card. Now you got another institution. Like I told y'all, pull up a spreadsheet of the institutions you want to apply for when it's time to credit stack on the business side. Do a spreadsheet. I always tell y'all, man, because I always do these videos of breaking down different institutions, so you might like this institution compared to another one. So do a spreadsheet, because I've had a couple of y'all DM me saying, oh, I've created a spreadsheet, I took in your advice. Whenever you break down institutions, I'm gonna write the simple data points that I gotta know and then where they pull from. Okay, y'all, so y'all could credit stack very successfully. Okay, y'all. What else am I not including? Might ask for pay stubs, but the thing is, with institutions like Bank of the West, you can possibly override them pay stubs that they might require because you've built that relationship. I'm always telling y'all, man, if you build a relationship with an institution for a good minute, that's when you have a higher chance of getting approved without showing your proof of income. For some of y'all that don't want to provide that, but I always tell y'all, in the credit game and on my channel, y'all gotta adjust. You know what I'm saying? We gotta adapt to the situation. So what you guys can do, like I told y'all, I did a breakdown. You guys can create your own pay stubs legally, okay, with plastic.com and putting yourself under payroll. Okay, y'all, this is what a lot of people don't know. So you don't even have to avoid this. You know what I'm saying? Everything is strategic in the credit game. You just gotta move correctly and know the data points. A lot of people don't tell you this shit because people don't know the complete sauce. You know what I'm saying? In the credit game, there's different types of maneuvers, man. So yeah, they got these business credit cards. They might ask for last pay stubs. Like I said, you can avoid that if you build that long relationship, but if you don't want to avoid that, then you can create your own pay stubs legally. Okay, y'all. And yeah, man, these are business credit cards. These are the personal credit cards. I like that secure credit card that they have with creating a 12K line on your report. And yeah, man, this is Bank of the West. Y'all send me other institutions you guys want me to break down, man. This shit is simple. These data points are very simple. Okay, y'all. So y'all could definitely bust some plays with this institution, especially if it's in your backyard. Some of y'all might already have some long relationships with these institutions that I break down, so you have a higher chance of getting approved for more funding. So yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed. Y'all have a good day. The Hood Rich Way. Go on.